What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here, we have hydroxyl groups here, so we are dealing with an alcohol, and then I need to find out the longest chain including the hydroxyl group. So it means that has to be inside the longest chain. So we have one here, so this one is bigger, so we can say this one is the longest chain, and we need to start from here. 1 2 3 4 5, and the substituents here we have methyl, which one of the hydrogen is substituted by iodine, so we have iodomethyl, and here we have isopropyl. So therefore I'm gonna call it 3-iodomethyl 2-isopropyl pentan 1-O. Because this is the first carbon, it's going to be 1-O. 3-iodomethyl, 2-isopropyl, and 1-O. This is the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.